So you've received your new on-bike share Cross 7 bikes and you're ready to get them set up. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the admin package that was included with your shipment. In your pouch, you'll find a 10 and 15mm crescent wrench, a hex and Torx multi-tool, battery charger, as well as a 1/4-inch driver and 2 security bits. Each bike also gets a basket and a bag of hardware to go with it, as well as a set of pedals. We'll start by getting the handlebar assembly in place. First, you'll want to stand over the bike and lift the handlebars into a vertical position, pulling the whole assembly up about 3 or 4 inches. Using the front wheel as a guide, line the handlebars up so they are perpendicular to the wheel. Using your hex multi-tool, place the 6mm hex key into the quill bolt and tighten firmly. Now to angle the handlebars. You'll want them almost vertical so that your front basket sits in a level position once mounted. This can always be adjusted later. Then using the same 6mm hex tool, evenly tighten all 4 bolts on the faceplate of the stem. The next step is mounting the front basket. Position the basket on the handlebars so that the mounting holes are lined up. Place 2 of the bolts in the top mounting holes to hold the basket in place. On the back side, place a washer on each bolt and by hand thread on the lock nuts. Then repeat the process for the bottom 2. Using the 10mm crescent wrench and 5mm hex key, tighten all of the basket hardware. For the final step, we'll install pedals. You'll first want to identify the correct pedal for each side of the bike, marked by an R for right and L for left. To avoid cross-threading, start threading the pedal in by hand, rotating towards the front of the bike. Finish tightening the pedal using the 15mm crescent wrench, then repeat the process for the other side. It's important to note that on the left side of the bike, the threading is reversed. Spin the pedal counterclockwise to tighten.